Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do the slow motion effect in Capcut. First, open the Capcut app and select the video you want to edit. Once you're in your project, tap on the video clip to bring up the editing options. Next, tap on the speed button at the bottom of the screen. Then choose curve. And after that, tap on custom to start customizing your slow motion effect. To begin, I like to use 6 dots to have more control. Just drag the white line and tap Add Beat to create more dots along the curve. Now scroll along the timeline and position the dots where you want the slow motion to start. Drag those dots downward to slow down the video and upward to speed it up. For a classic slow motion effect, lower the dots in the middle section to create that smooth slow down moment. Once your curve is set, tap play to preview the effect.